Today, we will learn how to add a limited time offer template in WhatsDiscuss. First, click on the WhatsApp business account. Then go to Message Templates. Here, you will see all your templates. To add a new template, click on this add icon. Now, click on Limited Time Offer Template. Next, write the name of your template. And then click Next to proceed. After that, choose the language for your template. We are selecting English. Then click Next. In the header, you can add an image or video. But if you want to leave it empty, select None. We are selecting an image here. Then click here to select your image. In the body, add your offer message or product information. You can click on this preview button to see a preview of your message. In the LTO section, you can enter any message up to 16 letters, like exclusive offer, buy now, summer sale, winter sale, etc. You can also add various buttons here, such as custom button, visit website, call button, and offer code. We are selecting offer code. There is a button labeled visit website. Write your website name in this button. After that, enter your website URL so that users can go directly to your website. In offer code, you can add any coupon code. You can also add more buttons here and click on this icon to delete any button. Once all steps are complete, click Preview to view your message. If everything looks good, click the Save button. Your message template has been added. Click on this. Click on this icon to see all the details of your message.